You can now create a realistic AI avatar of yourself and make it say whatever you want using your own voice, just like me here.
Head over to Google and search for Google Flow. Click on the first link, then click on Create with Google Flow. Make sure you are logged in and then click on the profile icon. Here you can see Create Avatar. Click it here and then click on Get Started. Now grab your phone and open the camera. Make sure you are logged in on the same Google account on mobile as well. Tap on I agree. After reading the instructions, click on next and tap on allow camera and microphone access. Tap allow. Follow the on-screen instructions and make sure you say the numbers out loud. Now go to Pinterest and search for podcast studio ideas. I like this one. Download it. Now upload the image in ChatGPT and type describe this scene. Now go back to Google Flow. Click on new project. Here type @ and select the avatar. After that click on the plus icon and then click on upload media and upload the studio image. Select the image and now write the prompt. You can get this prompt in the description below. Now copy the scene description. Paste the dialogue that you want to say. Make sure the agent mode is off. Click on video. Here select 16:9. Choose the number of seconds. Make sure Omni Flash model is selected and then click on this button. As you can see, the video has now generated.
You can now create a realistic AI avatar of yourself and make it say whatever you want using your own voice, just like me here.
You can simply download it from here. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.